So right there got to be a bunch. Now, I ain't talking about 4, 5, 6, or 7.
You're talking about a bunch.
I'm talking about a bunch of what they called public houses.
Oh, what's the world coming to today? A man can go through a mud hole without getting his neck cut off or his wagon robbed. Lord. Yeah, I've been up back and seen it with my own eyes. Yeah, hell, there must be a 10, a 15, a 20. Lord, too many of them public houses.
Right there on that half-a-mile stretch.
Oh, where are our dear mothers? Oh, where are our dear mothers? Oh, where are our dear mothers? Day is a breaking in my soul.
Voiceless. I represent the ones that yearn to be heard, so every word is a testimony. This one is for my homie, locked up and wondering how can we fix the system that's got so many locked in prison. Brothers and fathers missing, wifeys and mothers kissing, pictures of prodigal sons praying for their return.
Our own voices waiting for the music to flow from God's mouth to our own. There was a time. On the border, they say, and a time yet to come. Yeah, we sing a song for all to hear. Come and